How to verify Bitcoin on Cash App. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, first things first, let's go ahead and open up the Cash App application right here. You will then be presented with the screen. You can just go ahead and navigate through the main menu of the Cash App application by clicking on this button. Now, once inside, you will then go ahead and see your cash balance, your savings, invest in stocks and more, but specifically you want to go ahead and click on the buy Bitcoin option. Right after clicking on it, you will then be taken to this page. You can just go ahead and click on get started. And lastly, you want to scroll down until you find the buy Bitcoin or deposit Bitcoin button, and after clicking one of those buttons, it will instantly proceed you to the verification procedure. Now, before verifying Bitcoin through your Cash App, take note that your account on Cash App must be verified first through your phone number and ID. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.